ungakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Siyambona la ukwinika uyawuzonda umuthi, awufuni umuthi. Ubheke uze umbheke kanjani ubaba abantu uzenzela umsebenzi wakhe aqashelwe wona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi alungise laphana egrawundini. Asuse imoya emibi ukuthi okwinika bambheka kanjani or benze okwinika bafocuse egamini yabo bona ukudlala egrawundini bathola ama-results, adefende laphana akhohlwe ukuthi ubaba omdala wenzani. Naye enye i-look from ubani u-Igatari umbhekile ubaba oyinkosi, umbheke kancane ude waze wafafaza bo. Khohlwani bafethu izinto zokuthi ubaba wenzani, nina nje focusani egamini ukuthi nikwazi ukuthola ama-results kuphela. But siyamazi ukwinika vele ukuthi ukholelwa kuNkulunkulu yena. Ubhalela izinto zemthandazo namavesi laphana online, uwumuntu nje othandazelayo, okholelwa emthandazweni. Akabayeke-ke benze umsebenzi wabo obaba laphana egrawundini, bathele ukuthi bavikeleke nabo because of abantu bayathela nabo, abayeke bathele cause ama-oppositions wonke ayathela egrawundini, so nobaba naye akathele. So lana sobona i-message kaloku akwinika bafethu elandelayo important kakhulu, uthi yena ufunda izinto eziwu-2 ezibalulekile about nje abantu empilweni, and leyo nto leyo i-change impilo yakhe for good. Uthi ungavumeli i-criticism ukuthi ihlale kuwe enhlizweni, futhi ungavumeli abantu abakuthathayo bakubekele esicongweni ukuthi leyo nto le ihlale la ekhanda. Maybe ukhuluma ngokuthi abantu abaku-celebrate, don't make it that about you. Ngoba uthi labo bantu labo abakusalutayo, abakukhuluma kahle, kusasa yibo abazokujikela. Same bantu laba abajikela phela uJesus ukuthi amcrucifyeni noma bathi mbulaleni. Siyambona ukwinika bafethu ukuthi that is why abheka umuthi kabuhlungu kanje, cause yena nangu ufocusela kuNkulunkulu bafo, uyathandazela umuntu omthandazo njalo umenshine uNkulunkulu noGod noma uJesu. Uyambona ukuthi umuntu othandela isonto ukwinika, obhilivelayo to the higher power, ezinye izinto akangene kuzo. But-ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ake just akafocus ekudlaleni ibhola, ayekele ikhehla lenkosi lithele izinto laphana egrawundini. But so far ukwinika bafethu uperforma kahle kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs njalo meyidlala. I mean, I haven't seen a disappointing performance from yena. That is why bengikhuluma earlier on ngayo ukuthi it was disappointing ukubona bambeke ebhentshini. Ngibonile enye imessage ithi ucoach uthi ukwinika uthintekile. No, ukwinika bekhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bese ebhentshini that day. So angifuni ukungena kuma-politics side, but-ke khona into eyamanga enokushiwo abantu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, o-coach bavele bathi ama-player alimele. Ngase basebenzisa leso strategy. Khona ama-player alimele esesiwabonile, but khona angakadlali, angakatholi ne-opportunity wokuthi adlale. Mina ngikholwa ukuthi lonke i-player Oshinga, Oshesleti, angikholwa ukuthi njalo sekuvele kuthiwa balimele ngoba bakatholi ama-opportunity okudlala. But-ke ungathola ukuthi baqinisile, asazi, cause angikaze ngabona Ushinga noCheslett bengekho bafethu ejimini. But-ke asiphume lapho. Nangu lona ubafo bafethu uCele noThabiso Munyane. uCele siyazi ukuthi ubuyile, uqalile igame, udlalile but not to his best ability. Simbonile ukuthi udlale kanjani. But-ke I think second half ngimbonile ezama ngempela ukuphusha for i-team ukuthi i-team ithola ama-results. Maybe izomnika i-confidence lento lokuthi bamnike i-game time enough ukuthi aziprove ngempela, azibonise ko-coach ukuthi uyadeserve ukudlala. I don't think it was an outstanding performance engaze yenze u-coach ukuthi mhlampe babhilivele kuye, but they know what he can bring to the game of i-Kaizer Chiefs on his day, uyakwazi ukuperform. uCele bafethu, he came back to South Africa because of bekafuna ukuthi abe close to iBafana Bafana, represent iBafana Bafana. Then I don't know if ama-performances wakhe lawa since ayikhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, especially this season, ukuthi azomthatha ambeke laphana kuBafana Bafana kuzoba nzima kakhulu. I'm not gonna lie, kuzoba nzima ukuthi i-national team ikwazi ukulokhu njani ukumselecta uCele. Other side uThabiso Munyane siyamazi ukuthi what he can bring to i-Kaizer Chiefs. Simbonile-ke laphana e-overlap, ushaye i-assist egude kakhulu bafethu. Bheka nje i-intelligence yakhe la ukuthi ushaye i-assist enhle, and uyakwazi ukubona ama-player wakhe ukuthi akavelanga nje waskwera ibhola walicross ukuthi hhayi liyobona phambili ukuthi lizothola bani. No, uyabheka ukuthi usibani bani uyeza, urana kanjani and then-ke uzoliphasa phansi. It was a good assist from yena umfowethu. I-assist ngempela masiyibheka siyayibona ukuthi yayi-world class. Not just ukuvele wakhahlela ibhola nje, i-assist enhle kakhulu from yena umfowethu, ukuthi abheke laphana ukuthi okay, nangu uVilakazi. No, uyambona uIkatara ukuthi is anticipating the ball, but uyabona ukuthi mayengathi nje cut back laphana, ulo uzokwazi ukuthi alithole, uShabalala uzoba ne-opportunity e-right ukuthi alithole lela bhola lela, akwazi ukuliqedelela kangcono compared to amanye ama-player. So i-play elihlakaniphe kakhulu for i-Kaizer Chiefs, going forward in terms of even uku-attack-a, even noku-defender. So banga-build-a something formidable around yena. So aqhubeke njalo umfana adelive for amakhosi, adlale kahle kakhulu. Nayi lento engi-add-ayo, i-serious ngempela cabanga ifani le-Kaizer Chiefs li-decide ukuthi hhayi yena uzoprinta uMokoko. Inzima kakhulu i-rival ye-Kaizer Chiefs ne-Orlando Pirates bafethu, into engeke isalawuleka le, into engeke isaphela serious because of if like ama-fans azo-react-a to what happened to Orlando Pirates kanje. But you cannot blame ama-fans because of nawo ahleza under attack if amanye ama-teams enza kahle. So it's part of the beautiful game. I mean, uku-attack-ana, i-banter nokuthi uMukoko wenzeni. So yizo zonke lezo zinto lezo kumele uzibekezelele if usapota i-opposition. uMokoko ubuyile eSouth Africa, siyazi ukuthi uyabuya eSouth Africa uzodlala neMamelodi Sundowns if izinto azishintshi laphana in terms of i-CAF i-decide ukuthi ibabeka kuphi, iyabasuspenda noma yenzani, but sesizobona ngayo i-CAF. But uMokoko sevele waduma iSouth Africa yonke bafowethu, from the north to the south, South Africa yonke iyamazi umfowethu. I think what I can say before ngivale ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs, what they did right, good recruitment. I mean, they've really signed, they tried to sign ama-players ngempela azobasiza laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I saw enye comment ithi bafila ngathi basayine abadlali ngempela bazokwazi ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs, unlike than before ukuthi bazovele basayine ama-players for the sake of ukusayina ama-player nje kuphela. But-ke they feel like basayine abadlali abazokwazi ukuyisiza i-Kaizer Chiefs hhayi kakhulu futhi, even kuma-different departments. Yeah, but it's part of i-game, nanokuthi uKaizer mdawungijuna uya-understand i-modern game, but they can still do better man kwamanye ama-transfers. But yeah, so far it's well, it's paying off. They've signed ama-forwards already anamagoli. iKatara unegoli, uSilva una-4 goals already manje, uMayo naye unegoli. So new signings yabo sebakorile abafana abawu-3 ezama-strikers. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.